To replace the swivel blower tube on your leaf blower, first rotate the blower nozzle and extension tube counterclockwise to detach. Next, use a T27 Torx bit to loosen the bottom screw, securing the throttle control assembly. Loosen the retaining knob screw and slide the assembly off of the swivel tube. Now use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to loosen the screw clamp, and you can slide out the old blower tube. Install the new swivel blower tube by inserting it into the flex tube. Position the screw clamp and tighten. Realign the throttle control assembly on the swivel tube tabs. Then tighten both the bottom screw and the retaining knob screw. Reinstall the extension tube and nozzle by aligning them on the swivel tube, then rotate clockwise to lock them into place.